Good morning, Omega 5 Fisher fans. So today is Sunday. We're having a West Coast Crabbers event over at the beach, cook-off slash casting competition. So, I couldn't sleep. My team, the Niners, yeah, what's up? For all you Niners fans, what a game, what a game. I was losing faith on the third quarter, but then, I was texting my boys. I was like, what all this? And my boy Jimmy, he said, have faith. Right when he said that, man, boy, the Niners turned that around. That's one for you, bro. That's one for the books. But anyhow, so after that deal, I couldn't sleep. So I came out to the pier early. I got one rod right there. Okay. Trying to catch some early crab for Sunday. I'm not doing a cook-off. I'm not doing the cook-off, but I will be cooking and helping out Joy of Living. So shout out to Joy of Living. If you haven't subscribed to his channel yet, go ahead, check him out. Definitely one of those catch and cook masters of the pier. Always showing love to the people, always supporting the pier, and always showing the love and the camaraderie. So one up for Joy of Living. If you guys have time, check out his channel. He's really a big part of this community off the pier, and he's really one of those special people that love to support and really help out people. So if you guys have a chance, check him out. So anyhow, trying to catch some crab over here just to kill some time before the competition. But on my third cast, damn, yo, look at that. Look at that. Snap my rod. So this is a 12-foot fib length moon sniper. It's now only about 8.5 foot. But hey, text my boys. They're gonna try and hook me up and bring an extra rod. I'm gonna use that reel still. I was only gonna bring one rod, one reel, one sand spike for the beach, because basically I'm gonna help Team Joy of Living. Hopefully we can win that competition, or at least be top 3. And then the casting competition, I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna try to cover the competition and the casting event and the crabbing event all down tonight, or excuse me, tomorrow. So right now it's probably about midnight. Man, I can't wait. I can't wait. For all you West Coast crabbers out there, part of the group, hey, just coming out is half the fun. The support, the love, Twan, Raph, the group. Hey, I can't wait for this event. We just hit 2,000 subscribers today, so hopefully we'll see quite a few of you over at the beach. Let's have fun. Let's do this, guys. Enjoy. So for you Omega 5 Fisher fans, hey, let's see how the competition goes, all right? Good luck, everyone. Good luck cooking, whoever cooking. Good luck for everyone who's in the competition, casting, and for the raffle. Hey, a lot of locals doing good stuff for the raffle. Shirts, snares, hats, stickers, all that stuff, all that good stuff, man. Everybody's trying to represent. Everybody's donating. I can't donate. I have no merch yet, but I am donating my time to a friend. All right, so good luck to all you out there. And hey, you know what's up? We gotta get it, baby. Get it. San Francisco, we gonna get it, hopefully. Quest for 6, Super Bowl, baby. We gotta make it. One more. All right, guys, we over here at the beach. The event has pretty much started. We got quite a few people down there. We got the Pacifica fishing crew over here, Joy of Living, Frisco Fishing, and crab snare. We got Chris, Troy, Vivid down there. We got Crabaholics in the back. Yeah, buddy. And we got this big boy right here. It's about a 6, maybe, big enough. We got one donated by Danny. And we got another one here, baby. That's what's up. A few legs missing, but hey, it's going down. Look at all this merch. We got Robos crab snares. We got some hats, care packages over here. Joy of Living. Check them out.
We listened to our music.
It's going down, boys. Going down, boys and girls. If you ain't out here, you ain't having fun today. You missing out. Come get it. Come get it. Come join us. West Coast Crabbers, baby. What's up, Omega 5 Fisher fans? So, these are all West Coast Crabber. All right. This is the West Coast Crabber team right here. Everybody. There you go. We taking this shit deep. Everybody's crabbing. What's up? What's up? JOL, Joy of Living. Got our booth right there. We're gonna do that cook, catch and cook. Yeah, we're gonna get them. We're gonna get them. Everybody out. If you're not here, you ain't with it.
I got Troy in the house. Don't talk to me. Baby. No.
Welcome to Sunny V's crab snaring class. All right, brought to you by West Coast Crabbers. It's official. We got a class going. Yeah, baby. That's what we talking about. Everybody helping everybody else. West Coast Crabbers coming up hard. Look at this. Vivid Snares. Come check him out. Vivid Snares. Yeah, buddy. Come get some. Come get some. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel yet, he's putting out some snares coming soon. All right, so be sure you pre-order because they will go fast.
They will go fast. They are limited. Thank you so much, Omega 5 Fisher.
Yeah,
but
buddy.
I just want to say, look how beautiful it is outside.
Yes, sir.
Am
Yes,
I right?
sir. Yes, it is.
Let's go.
Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. It's all good. All right, guys. Check it out. Check it out. So we're here at the West Coast Crabber Cook-Off casting competition. Coming over to the West Coast Crabber booth. Checking out what's going down. We got some merch here. These are all giveaways and donations from the locals. Look at that.
Actually, after the photo shoot, we're gonna
Harley.
somewhere around 12:30.
We got Vivid Snares,
Try to be
Frisco
here for that.
Fishing,
If you want to do
Joy
the
of
raffle,
Living,
you have to be here for that too. That raffle
Crabaholic,
might be about 1:30 to 2 o'clock.
Endo Snares, excuse me, Cobra
What you do is
Snares.
Put one ticket, you hold the other ticket.
These are awesome right here. I need this for my coffee in the morning. I would love to win one of these. We got the admin of the group. What's up, what's up, what's
Hey,
up?
welcome. Yeah, you put your name there.
Sign in, registration.
And this is for the
Registration
raffle,
time.
yeah. And this is for the
Do I have to put my name
West
in for the
Coast,
raffle?
baby!
You know it, you know it.
Real good day. Yeah, it don't matter.
Doing it big, doing it right. What's up? All right,
You gotta make it official.
so the student is now the master. What we got here? Tell us what we got.
6-inch dungy.
There you go. How many times have you been crabbing?
First time, baby.
First time? How many casts?
Two in the water.
Two in the water. And who pulled it
At
in?
least 30 on the sand.
All right.
I broke our rod.
Oh, they broke the rod pulling it in.
We bought a rod at Dick's for 30 bucks.
So we know what that means, right? Time to upgrade. All right.
Yeah.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Welcome to West Coast Crabbers. Yeah. Oh yeah. What we got going over here, Chris? What we got going over here?
I'm doing what I'm
Let's
told.
check it out. Let's check it out.
Mr. Ramsey told us to
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Those are the crabs. Those are the donation crabs. Saving that for DFG just in case. Going down, baby. Joy living. Joy living. Watch the man in his element. Yeah, buddy.
About to tear
Yeah,
down,
buddy.
baby. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
I was gonna lie.
Man himself. No, joy living. What everyone's up against. My brother-in-law, Lord.
Nice to meet you, man.
So we're gonna let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how many crabs are in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and add everything else in, including the crab paste. Take a look, take a look. Okay, so what's gonna end up next is we're gonna put this in. And we're gonna put this Alright, but we're gonna wait, we're gonna let it cook. Okay. And then the bell pepper, I got some in there.
All right, guys, so you see the competition going on. These are mostly West Coast crabbers over here. We got our little setup out there. All right, this is what I'm talking about. This is why we do what we do. The community, the camaraderie, the enjoyment of life. Come join us. Be part of the West Coast Crabber movement. Because it's a lifestyle. It's a hobby. Community. Let's do it, baby. Let's see if I got a crab on. Nope, no crab.
Yeah, crab taste and
Look at that, look at that. We're over here at the Crab Hard booth. What's up, what's up? If y'all don't know, y'all need Crab Hard.
Yes, sir.
That's
crab
how they
hard,
do
baby.
it. That's right, look at this.
Cook hard too.
There you go. Cook it like you mean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Sauce it up. Gotta get
Awesome,
saucy.
awesome, awesome.
Try some green crab, man.
Oh yeah, bro, try that.
Yeah.
Here we go, here we go.
Get you a good taste in the green crab
All
right
right.
there. You know how to eat crab, so I'm not gonna give you the
Green crab right here. This is that invasive species that DFG wants us to get rid of and eradicate because they're just overpopulating. Here we go, here we go. First taste.
What's up?
Ooh.
Is that too much, you think?
Mmm. Wow. Where's the sriracha sauce? Mmm.
Green crab, man.
We got the Crab Hard crew over here trying to educate us on some green crab. So if you guys catch any green crab, okay, it's an invasive species over in that came from East Coast over in Britain. They're now taking over the West Coast. So DFG asks that you guys catch, cook, kill them any means possible. There's no size limit. There's no bag limit. So, hey,
Great fertilizer.
right here,
Good.
I think it tastes better than blue crab.
It's good, right?
So, if you catch it, don't waste it. Eat it. That's what's up. All right, guys. Good luck to the contest.
You have to like get up and
Damn, guys, look at that. I don't know.
I got it.
Competition looks fierce.
Yes, it does.
Competition looks fierce. That
Yeah.
looks amazing too.
I haven't even looked around. What else is going on out there?
Hey.
Gumbo, I know.
I know. All right, guys, it's gonna be a good competition today. All right, for you guys who don't know, this is Jake, aka West Coast Crabbers, the cook. All right, he's got something brewing over here, looking amazing. Look at all that wonderful seafood. He's got some batter going. Are we gonna say what we're? Oh my goodness! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This competition is fierce, people. I am part of Team Joy of Living, but I'm not here to sneak up and find out what's going on.
It's all good, bro.
I'm not trying to cheat, but I'm just curious. Oh my God! Look at all this good stuff. Wow! Wow! I see you. I see you, Jake, with that sausage. Oh my God, look at that, look at that. Boy, it's going down today over at Ocean Beach. If you don't know and you're not here, man, you guys are missing out. That's what's up. Get it, Jake? Yes, sir. Yeah. Are they both the same?
Yep.
All right, Sonny V-Ray's getting ready to cook. He's getting his apron on. You ready, Sonny?
Bam!
Oh yeah, he's ready. He's ready. That's what's up. We got Lauren passing out more of the green crab.
Heck yeah.
I'm going for it, baby. Hell yeah. Anytime I see green crab, I'm eating that shit. Anybody else?
The best of the West.
Isn't it good, Jackie?
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you, Tony.
Anytime, brother. Anytime.
All right, guys. This is from the Joy of Living. This is how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna eat this with my hands. Excuse the graphic nature, but I'm hungry.
Oh yeah. Tell you, man. The chef, man. I think we got a winner over here.
Say it loud, let's go.
The winner, chicken dinner.
Damn, y'all.
Can't see this flavor.
I wish you could taste this.
Yep.
But since you can't, you just gotta take my word for it. All right, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Take my word, this stuff's good. We haven't tried the other food yet, but I'm gonna take you offline. I'm gonna enjoy this. All right, guys, to be continued.
All right, E, you ready? Getting ready for this? Getting in the game?
All right, guys, Omega 5 Fishing fan. So we're doing a casting competition. Yours truly has joined. Hopefully, I get at least top 3. You know, wish me luck.
Yeah, they go one by one. They can't cast one.
Yeah, no worries, man. You guys are all pros by now, so make sure you get it down straight. Hold on, that's circling. Hold up, hold up. You're here to go for it, get it? Hands up! Sorry!
Why not use the casting gloves?
Jeremy. Hands up! Go!
That running start.
Let's go, Kelly Crow!
Send it out, Vinny. Let's go, let's get it. Torpedo practice. Let's go. I see some snare squad to the moon.
Thank you. To the moon.
Cali crab.
Third place, we've got Tom in the house.
And Tom.
First, second, and third. Where's
Yeah.
Tom in the house? Where's Tom? Tom, where you
behind
at? What? Come on. Let's get over here. First, second, and third.
First, second, and third, baby. That's what's up. Casting competition. First, second, and third place. What's up?
Congratulations.
Fourth place for
winner goes to DJ Sunny. He's collecting it. He's collecting $200, baby.
$200? 2, 4. $200 it is. One. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Bam.
That's you, Sonny. That's you. Hey, Sunday! Yeah, Sunday!
Frisco right here. Let's go.
Right there. I'll be right there, guys.
300 and then 500 is the next.
So 300 is next.
Yeah, 300 next.
Wow. Sunday! Third place. $200. Nice. Yeah! Good job. Good job.
Awesome job, Sunny.
That's it, man.
Okay, our second place winner for $300 goes to Valerie. Crab patty! Slider crab patty!
Yeah, buddy.
300.
Okay, our first place winner, the king of the hill, $500 goes to Tony.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Hey, everybody, you know, I'm not even going to make a speech. Let me tell you, I had one hell of a time today, man. I had a great time. I kicked it with some great people. That's what it's all about, you know. So anytime we do something, crabbing, ain't nothing like us, man. It's a West Coast crabber.
Oh yeah.
My man.
Much appreciated, guys. Rafa, you want a speech? Ready or are you drunk? Let's go.
Not yet.
All right, you gotta get some water. Get some water real quick. All right, y'all. Well, take a look around. Look at the guy or the lady next to you. That's what we're all about. We're a community. We're out here. It's a beautiful day. Right? First and foremost, I want to thank all the donators for the prizes that we have up there that we still got to take care of. So we'll definitely do that. But give you guys yourself a round of applause because it's really what we're all about. It's community. That's what's up. It's all about that big love. That's what we do. That's how we do. Right? So let's give it up. Joy of Living. We've got Frisco Fishing. We've got Omega 5. Gladiator Crab Snake, we've got Cali Crab, we've got Crabinator, we've got
It gets real! It gets real! Yeah!
Vivid Stairs in the house. We all out here.
You got Vivid Stairs!
This is our town. This is what we do. So, right on, guys. We love you. West Coast Crabbers all the way.